Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, and you can boost your sales by creating product review videos like this. Several AI tools can make promotional videos with just a link. But imagine making a video where a realistic avatar reviews a product by holding the product in hand. It will be more believable and increase engagement. Today, I will share how you can create this kind of product video using AI. So, let's dive in. First of all, select a product. You can choose any product from any platform. However, before selecting the product, always check the product sales number, the ratings and reviews. If all of them are high, then your chances will increase. For example, I am selecting this product. Alright, we have the product. Now let's see how we can make videos with it. To make a product video, I will use an AI marketing video generator called Topview AI. This generator can create amazing product videos from URLs and materials. Its vast AI avatar library makes the video more engaging. Most importantly, you can create videos in more than 30 languages. Okay, let's start creating our product ads using Topview AI. However, I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. First, on the top, you will find options to create videos from product links and material. Next, in the AI Creation tab, you will find tools to create avatar-based videos for various purposes. Let's start with the Avatar Marketing Video Generator. This is basically the same as the Create Videos from the link. After selecting the tool, you have to set an avatar first from this vast library. You can even create your own avatar. Simply upload a video clip here, and then hit the Create button. Alright, select your own avatar, or review some of them, and then select the perfect one. After selecting the avatar, you have to enter the product link or upload the materials. You will find another option called AI Creation. Here you can generate images with a text prompt. Just enter the prompt in this box and then set the style, image size, and number of images you want to generate. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. Now you can use the image on your project. However, as I already have a product link, I will copy the product link and paste it into the Topview URL box. After entering the URL, click on Import from Link. Now AI will analyze the URL and gather all the data from the URL. And here it is. You can see it grabs all the images and videos from the product page. You can choose which one you want to use. Here you can notice some external review videos. I won't use them because they may cause legal issues. After selecting the media, click on the Continue button. It will take some time to process the media files. So, let's fast forward this part. And the analysis is completed. Let's move forward. Next, we have the product name. You can customize it if needed. After that, the draft script. This is the product description from the product page. You can enter your own script if you want. Under that, you will find more options. If you click here, more options will be revealed. First, the script writing style. Here you will find a vast number of script writing styles to make the final script engaging. You can use your customized style too. I will go with a storytelling style. Next, set the targeted audience. After entering the targeted audience, set the video length, and then you can add a logo and watermark. I will skip this time. Alright, next, we have to set the video size, the language, and voiceover. In the voiceover library, you will find a bunch of options. You can even clone your own voice to use on the project. After selecting the voice actor, hit the Confirm button. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. As you can see, the AI is generating the script. Topview is generating 3 scripts for our video. You can go with more videos too. Once the script is ready, you can see it's generating the first video clip. As it will take some time, I am fast forwarding this part. And here it is. The first video is ready. Let's have a look.
Welcome to our exclusive product unveiling. Discover the Hyssop Brightening and Deep Cleansing Face Scrub. Our formula requires 170 hours of artisanal craftsmanship. Experience gentle exfoliation for all skin types. Eliminate sebaceous filaments and blackheads with ease. Infused with 34 natural extracts for ultimate nourishment. No need for double cleansing. It's an all-in-one solution. Guard against sensitivity signs, dryness, irritation, and more. Enhance your skincare.
This is just awesome. Topview AI generates a very high-quality video. The script is awesome. The visual placement is perfect, and the editing is top-notch. I love it. Now, let's move forward to the second video. Simply click on the preview button from here to generate the video. Once the video is generated, play the video.
Welcome to Hyssop's premium skincare line, presenting our brightening and deep cleansing face scrub. Our face scrub is crafted with precision, an artisanal recipe completed in
The second video is also amazing. I love both of the videos. Now, using the same method, you can generate the third video. Alright, now to download the video, click on the export button. However, if you think your video needs customization, click on the edit button from here. Let's see what it offers in editing. This is the Topview video editing interface. Here you can notice all the scenes it generates for us. Now you can customize the scenes. First, we can change the shot of material from the scene. To do that, click on the replace icon from here. You will find all the media files. To select a new media file, just click on it, and the media will be replaced. Next, you can customize the avatar with this avatar icon. After coming to this page, adjust the size and position of the avatar. After that, to customize the subtitle, click on the text icon from here. You will find a vast number of subtitle templates. Just select one of them. After that, you can adjust the size and position of the subtitle. Once done, mark the Apply to All Scenes option from here and then hit the Confirm button. Okay, you will find some more options here in the three-dot menu. You can add transitions between the scenes. Next, you can change the background fill mode from here. After that, you will find the Add Scene, Duplicate Scene, Split Scene, and Delete Scene options also. Here on the left sidebar, you will find options to add elements, text, and stickers. Using this method, customize all the scenes. Once you are done, click on the Export button. It will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, the video is ready. Now you can download the video and publish it on social media with the affiliate link to get sales and commissions. Alright, so now you can create high-quality product ads with product links using Topview AI. But the question is, how we can create a video where the avatar is holding our product. To do that, come to the dashboard. Now select the Product Avatar tool from here. Once you select the tool, you will find a vast library of avatars. Now you have to select one avatar from here. Before selecting the avatar, make sure the product held by the avatar matches the product you want to use. After selecting the avatar, click on Replace with My Product Image. You will get some tips for uploading the product image. Simply click here to upload the product image. Once the image is uploaded, it will remove the background automatically. That's perfect. Now you have to adjust the size and position of the product according to the sample product the model is holding. If you find there are any issues with the images, you can customize them by clicking here. After coming to this page, adjust the area you want to keep in your images, and then click on the Confirm button. Now adjust the size and position of the product image. Once done, hit the Confirm Product Position button from here. Now it will replace the product image with the existing one. And here it is. You can see that Topview AI generates 3 images. I found the first one to be the best result. Now to convert this image to a video avatar, click here. Now it will take some time to generate the avatar. Let's fast forward this part, and here it is. The avatar is ready.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
Now click on the Save to My Avatar button from here. Okay, our avatar is now saved to the avatar library. Now to create a video with the avatar, we have to enter the text script or import an audio clip from here. I am entering a sample script. After entering the script, set the voice actor and then hit the Confirm button. Now to generate the video, click on the Generate button from here. After that, set a name and other settings, and then click on the Export button. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Skin deserves a daily refresh that's as gentle as it is effective. Meet the Hyssop Brightening and Deep Cleansing Face Scrub and Exfoliator, the ultimate solution for radiant, healthy skin. Crafted with a meticulous artisanal recipe that takes 170 hours to perfect, this daily cleanser doesn't just clean, it transforms.
This is amazing. So, now you can create these kinds of amazing product videos using Topview AI. This is not the end. You can create talking photos, convert long videos to short videos, create real-time chat avatars, and much more. In one line, Topview AI is a perfect platform for creating promotional content. So, if you want to boost your business, don't forget to try out Topview AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.